Hello, welcome in. We are solving mathematics paper of year 2024 of NDNA 1 exam. Question number 91 and 92 has common statement, and for question number 91 and 92, consider the following for the next two items that follow. A differentiable function fx has a local maximum at x equals 0. Let y is equal to 2fx plus ax minus b. Which of the following is are correct? 1. F dash 0 is equal to 0. 2. F double dash 0 less than 0. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. And question number 92 is also based on same statement. So question number 92 is the function y has relative maxima at x equals 0. Option A greater than 0, B is 0. Option B for all B and A is equal to 0. Option C for all B greater than 0 only. Option D for all A and B is equal to 0. So first of all, solving 91st question. So as y is given as 2fx plus ax minus b, and fx is given and there is no particular value of fx, and it is given that it is local maximum at x equals 0. So when it is a local maximum at x equals 0, then f dash 0 should be equal to 0, and it represents maxima or minima. For this to represent maxima, so f double dash at 0 or at which it is maxima or minima should be negative. When it is negative, it is maxima. When it is positive, it is minimum. So answer is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. This both conditions should be satisfied. So if here y is given as 2fx plus ax minus b. So if we differentiate y with respect to x and put it equal to 0, then it will be dy by dx is equal to 0, and this differentiation is f dash x, and its differentiation is a, and b differentiation is 0 with respect to x. So it means 2f dash x plus a has to be 0. So at x is equal to 0, this f dash 0 is 0. Okay, for maximum condition of fx. So if we want to get the maximum value of y, then we have to take the maximum value of fx also. So at x equal 0, the value of f dash is your maximum. Plus a is also there, so this has to be 0. Okay, so if f dash is 0 and a is also 0, then it will become 0, because f dash 0 is 0. From the previous question we have got this, and if this is 0, so a has to be 0, but it doesn't depend on b. So answer is option B. For all b and a is equal to 0, the y will be your maximum when f dash is maximum. So answer is option B, because a should be there. If a is there, then a is 0, because f dash is 0 and it doesn't depend on b. So for all b, these two conditions should be satisfied, but in option B, all b and a is equal to 0 is 0. So answer is option